All right, so today we're going to be diving into Kick EQ. If you don't know me, my name is Tyson. I am a mixing and mastering engineer at Night Owl Music Group. So the first thing that we run into with kicks is excess low rumble. The next thing that we run into with kicks is fighting with the bass is fundamental because the kick and the bass, right, are living in that kind of same fundamental region. The next thing that we're going to run into with kicks is mud. And then the last one is lack of definition, or in some cases, excess harshness inside of our kick. This is the excess low rumble that we're talking about. Anything below that 30 to 35 hertz range is unnecessary inside of our kick. So you can see all in this low range here, there's definitely some excess just rumble here below this 30 hertz range. So I'm just going to add a quick high pass. And I'm gonna go ahead and just boost that just a little bit, just to kind of bring out that fundamental and reduce that low end. The next one is fighting with the bass's fundamental. When we look at our bass, for example, in this mix, we're gonna have 2 points of problems, and one is the 35 hertz range. And then also in this 70 hertz range, which is the true fundamental of the electric bass itself, specifically in this kind of 70 to 80 hertz range. Let's pull up our bass here, and let's mute the kick for a second. So you can tell it's really living in this 80 to 100 hertz range. And so that's where we're going to be wanting to focus our next move on the kick, which is actually just cutting out that range entirely. Also, if you want to pick up the objective mix, it includes the 5 objective standards that everybody is judging your mix by. There's a link to it in the description or a comment down below this video. So the next problem that we have is mud. Mud is found in this mid-range. And if you'll notice, the guitar lives there, the vocals live there, the bass lives there, and everything lives there. Because the kick's fundamental is lower and there's definition above it, there's really no need for this kind of muddy middle range. Pretty big area that it covers, but again, it's just not needed at all. Let's listen to the entire mix here. But it actually is adding some additional clarity to the mix overall with this move. Lack of definition. And so this kick actually does not lack a lot of definition. It's already very, very strong in this upper range, which is where the definition is really brought out. Most kicks are missing this. As you can tell, this kick is very, very strong in the 8K range, which is adding to its definition is actually adding a little bit too much, and it's bordering on being too harsh and too clicky. Let's listen to just the kick here. Right there is really where that click is, and I'm just gonna back it off just a tad, maybe a decibel or two. Yeah, it just sounds so much more focused with this EQ. We need to make sure we gain stage this properly. So I'm going to disable this and see what we got. But it says minus 22.4 is the RMS, so that's the average volume of this kick. Let's add the EQ back in. So it's minus 22.7, so we can add a little bit of gain. It's basically the same volume though, before and after. Okay, so here's without. you want to learn how all of the tonal EQ should work for all of the elements inside of your mix, then you can check out the Instrumentation Equalization Guide. It is a free guide down below just for you for watching this video. And then also, if you want to pick up the Objective Mix, it includes the 5 objective standards that everybody is judging your mix by. This book is all about how to answer those 5 questions and actually execute that inside of the mix, along with my entire mixing workflow for mixing professional quality songs in under 3 hours per mix. If you want that, there's a link to it in the description or a comment down below this video. If not, no worries at all, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.